Hello and welcome to the fourth day of Kwanzaa, which is Ujamaa, which is cooperative economics, which for those of us who are of African descent, it is the encouragement to shop within our communities and bolster African or Black-based businesses. Now, I would also like this to expand to, if you're not of African American heritage, I also encourage you to shop within your neighborhoods because the very small stores, the mom and pops, are constantly fighting against the big box stores. And they help neighborhoods and they help local economies to keep everybody employed. Now, you can also support small businesses online. Now, this video is going to express some of my favorite African American, Afro-Caribbean, Afro-British businesses that I purchase from or that I personally know about for the fourth day of Kwanzaa. I will attempt in this video to show some examples, either in a cutaway or on this side or that side, of items I may have purchased through these companies. My first company that is African American owned is Melanated Fabrics, which is owned by Mimi G, who is from Puerto Rican descent, and Brittany Jones, who's of African American descendancy. And I have bought some of the loveliest fabrics from them. I have never been disappointed. They are not cheap, but you will love everything you buy. And they put on sales pretty regularly. But only complaint I have about this company is, if you're not fast, it's gone. So that is my first company that I love, that is African American owned. The next company is the House of Mamiwata. No need to fret, the links to all of these companies will be listed in the description box. I have bought some unbelievable African fabric from this company. It is only online. I encourage you to go and see some of the fabrics they have. They are stunning. And hopefully you have seen a few examples of things that I have made with their fabric. This company also donated to the Dress a Girl Around the World campaign. They sent fabric to Mari Sews Curves, which shows that their commitment to helping on a world level basis. Now, my next company is a young lady named Lydia, Naomi, and she makes beautiful patterns in Canada. And she's of African American descent, and I have quite a few of her patterns. I don't think I've made any of them yet, but she did give me a wonderful shearing adaptation, how to do shearing on the back of dresses, and I love watching her sew longs. You can catch her at Lydia Naomi on YouTube. She provides sew longs from everything she publishes. Her stuff is young and fresh and beautiful, and I think you'll enjoy her. Now, my next shop is called Dose of Fabrics. It is an Etsy shop. They publish Niagara Falls, New York. And I have bought the most beautiful and vibrant Ankara fabric from this shop. I will include, of course, some of the things I've made with their beautiful fabrics. Things have come well wrapped, well preserved, very speedy, great service, beautiful products. I can wholeheartedly recommend them. Now, this next company is called African Ancestry. Quite a few years ago, I had done quite a bit of work on the genealogy of my family and family trees. But by the time I got to the late 1800s, I had hit up against the institution of slavery. And so I could not find any information. So in order to make the next jump, I did the DNA testing provided through African Ancestry. Now, there are quite a few other companies that do DNA testing, but I found African Ancestry to be very comprehensive, bringing me all the way to my village. So I found out where my DNA is located in Africa in a very specific manner. So if you are interested in something like that for your family to find out things, one day I will share with you my DNA results. But I really value this company. The people who run it are highly educated and informed, and they have done these research for over 20 years because I've had my results for over 15. So do some research and you'll see that they're a very valuable company. Now, the next company can be found online. It is African American Collection. I got this wonderful Kwanzaa set from them. If you go on their website, you will find all sorts of things that you can use in your home if you're of African American descent, or if you just like African American culture. It came speedily. I was able to bring it with me home to Jamaica, and it's a wonderful replacement for my original Kwanzaa that has been lost. Now, this next shop is my fellow YouTube creator, Sheree, from Sheree's Alchemy. I've purchased a few things from her shop on Etsy. If you spent any time with my Vlogmas this past December, you'll have seen some of the lining fabrics I used were from her fabrics that I purchased from her. And she has some lovely things, and I encourage you to watch her channel. She incorporates her entire lifestyle, sewing as well as gardening. And so I think you'll thoroughly enjoy her. So you can catch her on @Sheree's Alchemy on YouTube, and you'll see, and there's a direct link below to her shop. This next shop can be found online, and it's called livingtheankaralife.com. And it has wonderful, authentic, hand-woven handbags and fans with Ankara motifs. Now look, don't wait if you see something you like, because their bags and their things sell out very quickly. They do lovely products. They have wonderful gifts. So I heartily recommend them. Now, this next recommendation is Naomi Patterns. It's a subsidiary of the design group sponsored by Mimi G of Mimi G Patterns. She's now vice president of Creative, something like that. But she has brought together a whole slew of fellow creators, YouTube creators, as well as creators that she's found out in the universe that we may have been following for a long time, and she's given them the opportunity to create their own patterns. I have purchased almost one of everyone just because I want to be encouraging. I want the big four to go out and find all of those pattern designers that are going to bring something new and interesting to the game. So I encourage you to go out and check out the new patterns that are being sponsored by McCall's under the Naomi pattern line. Now, the very last thing I want to online store that I want to recommend is mine. It's called Saving Times Press. It is a collection of ebooks, coloring books, and children's books. If you are interested, I have a lot of motivational ebooks as well as workbooks, mostly digital products online, and I think you might enjoy some of them. So those are the 10 recommendations I have to celebrate Ujamaa. There are many, many more. And just look around in your neighborhood and see who you need to support for them to keep on creating. Businesses that are close to your home create a rich environment. It helps the economy. It helps your ability to have choice in what you like to purchase. So farmers markets, flea markets, cooperatives, festivals, the small bodega at the end of the street, the little cute curiosity stores and things like that in your neighborhood. I encourage you to patronize them so that they can let your neighborhoods and communities grow. And that's what Ujamaa is all about. We'll see you tomorrow on the 5th day of Kwanzaa, which is Imani, which is all about purpose.